How to use LawDepot business contracts properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most business owners assume creating contracts on LawDepot is quick and foolproof, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to disputes, financial loss, or unenforceable agreements. The first mistake is using a generic template without customizing it. LawDepot provides a variety of contract templates, but beginners who don't tailor terms to their specific business, industry, or state laws risk having gaps that can be exploited or challenged. Always review and adjust clauses for payment terms, delivery schedules, and responsibilities. Another common error is failing to define key terms. Terms like services, deliverables, and confidential information must be clear. Ambiguity can result in misunderstandings or legal disputes, even if both parties intend to cooperate. Many users also forget to include termination clauses. A clear exit strategy protects both parties if the contract needs to end early. Beginners who skip this step risk prolonged obligations or financial liability. Not verifying local laws is another pitfall. State and industry regulations can affect contract enforceability. Beginners who ignore legal requirements may find their agreements invalid in court or non-compliant with regulations. Finally, some users overlook signatures and proper execution. Digital or physical signatures must meet legal standards, and witnesses or notarization may be required depending on the contract type. Missing this step can make the contract unenforceable. To use LawDepot business contracts properly, customize templates, define key terms clearly, include termination clauses, verify legal compliance, and ensure proper execution. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your contracts will protect your business, clarify expectations, and minimize risk.